welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today we are doing my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of June. I think I remember what choice I chose for this month, so I guess we'll see if I'm right. If you're not familiar, BoxyCharm is a makeup subscription box that comes every month. It costs $25. You can choose to upgrade to 2 different levels above this one, but I find that I enjoy this one the most. That being said, I've never been subscribed to the highest level BoxyCharm Premium, but BoxyLuxe was not worth it in my opinion. So today we just have the June base box, at least my variation of it. There are many variations of it. This does feel pretty heavy. There's something in here that is decently weighted, so I'm excited to see what it is. Last month, if I'm not mistaken, I got a lot of really awesome products. A lot of times I find a couple things in these boxes that I enjoy, usually a mix of things I want to keep and a mix of things I don't want to keep. So we'll see what this month holds. All right, without further ado, let's open it up. I don't think that they include cards in these anymore, so I might have to take a moment and look up the virtual card, but let's see. Oh, there actually might be a card. There is a card this month. How exciting. So this month, this month's theme is BoxyCharm The Oasis. We do have on the back all of the items, a little description, and the price. I will wait to look at that. And I like to do this grab bag style, so I just pull something out and react to it. Ooh, what is this? Ooh. This is by the brand BV, I think. Oh, Beauty Vault. Beauty Vault. This is their Circadian Lip Liner Trio. I don't use lip liners a whole heck of a lot, but sometimes it is nice to have a lip liner, and we get 3. Ooh, okay. These look like very nice colors. So here are the colors that it comes with. So I'm actually pretty pleasantly happy with these. These definitely look like colors that I would use as lip liners. I was worried that it was gonna be a bunch of bright reds, bright pinks, that kind of thing, but these look like pretty neutral colors. Ooh, I mean, you can't really see that a whole lot. The formula looks okay. So it looks like we have a nude Beau Babe, which is kind of an orangey terracotta. Okay, and then the last one is Natty Nat. Natty Nat, that's cute. Ooh, this is more of a, ooh, this one's a little brighter. So here's a swatch of all of the colors. I'll have to see if I'll actually get use out of these. They do look like they're a pretty good soft formula, which I like. I don't really like drying formulas. These don't look like twists. They look like pencil lip liners. So, okay, not too mad about this, but I don't, again, know how much use I'll get out of them. Oh, okay, so this is the thing that I requested. So this is by Artist Couture. This is the Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Yas. Every time I see these in Sephora, I just love the way that they look. They look so beautiful. Ooh, okay. Ooh, oh, dropping things. So, oh yes. So this is just a loose glitter, and again, this is in the shade Yas. So this is what it looks like. It is a nice pink champagne color. This is beautiful. I don't remember it saying what color I was gonna get when I made this selection, but I am pretty pleased with this color. I'm very excited. I am very excited to have this and to play around with it. It's like a pink with a little bit of a gold shift to it. Very excited about this. And that is the one thing that I knew I was pretty sure that that's what I had chosen. 2 items out of the way. We have, I think, 3 items left. Ooh, what is this? Oh, okay. I've seen this before. Oh, I've actually gotten a product by this brand before in BoxyCharm. This is by the brand QMS Medi Cosmetics Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Eye Cream. I don't currently have an eye cream in my bathroom, so it's nice to get eye creams in boxes like this or in bundles or something like that, because it's not something I really choose to invest in, but if I can get it for free or in a box like this, then I will absolutely use it. So that's exciting. I don't have this. I'm gonna use it. That's great. 2 items left. Ooh, we have something long and flat, which makes me think it's a palette, so let's pick up the box. Oh, this is disappointing. So I have gotten this before and I didn't like it. At least I'm pretty sure this is the same thing that I got. This, okay, so what I'm talking about, this is a product by Touch in Sol. This is the Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. I'm pretty sure that I already got this and I did not like it. And I've only gotten boxes from BoxyCharm since October. So the fact that this is, I think, a repeat product already, not super excited about. But I might see if one of my friends wants this, or it might go on my Poshmark. So if this is something that you really like, you might see it there. Okay, well, that is disappointing. We have one product left. It's heavy. This is really heavy. Ooh, okay, very interesting. So this is a product by Shared Planet. It is their Polar Bear Collection eyeshadow palette. So I'm actually very interested in this. This has got a lot of weight to it. I really like the packaging. That's really pretty. Polar Bear Collection. I'm gonna guess that there is some blues in here. Maybe some monochromatic kind of shades. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, well, okay. You know what? These actually look really pretty. So let me give you a close-up. So here is what this palette looks like. I think it's actually really pretty. It's definitely very unique, very cool toned, which is interesting for this time of year. There were blues like I expected, but also some cool toned kind of gray purple colors. I'm particularly excited about Aurora, Avalanche, Frosted, Prism. We have it looks like we have 4 mattes. We have a gray, a black, a kind of a little bit cool toned taupe, and then what looks like a plum purple down here. I want to give some of these a swatch. Okay, so I've spent quite a bit of time swatching the shadows, and they actually look like they're gonna perform pretty well. I'm excited to use this. I don't know if I've ever heard of Shared Planet, but I'm definitely interested in looking them up and seeing what they're all about. The shadows have this really nice, it's almost like a wet, at least the shimmer ones, they have kind of a wet formula, which I really like. Not a fan of dry formulas. So I'm pretty excited about this. There's a couple shades in here that have a really cool flip to them. I have had not a lot of excitement or appreciation for the palettes that have come in BoxyCharm previously, but this is one that I'm actually pretty excited to play around with and create some looks out of. So, okay, so we have all the items. Let's talk about everything. So, the eyeshadow palette is the first one on my little boxy card. My boxy card. That makes sense. Oh, okay, this is really interesting. So the Shared Planet brand was created to bring visibility to endangered animals and donates a percentage of proceeds to animal-related charities across the world. I love that. This palette, $48. Okay. Next we have the Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. $32. Probably, like I said, not gonna keep this one. The highlighter, the Artist Couture highlighter, $27. Definitely keeping this one. Oh my gosh, the next thing, there's no way. This is obscene. Okay, so the QMS Intensive Eye Care. If you have no idea about this brand or anything like that, I want you to think up a number that you think that this is. Like how much this costs in your head real fast. You got your number? You're probably wrong. This is $132. Are you kidding me? I mean, I'm definitely absolutely going to use it now, but there's not even that much product in here. There's 0.5 fluid ounces. Excuse me? 130? There's no way. No. Okay. And then last we have the 3 lip liners, and this little bundle is again by Beauty Vault, $18. Okay, so these are the least expensive items in the box. I'll hold on to these to give them a try. I might end up decluttering them if I end up not using them. I have a feeling I'll probably at least hold on to 1, maybe 2 of them. We'll see. This I'm keeping. So the only thing that I'm getting rid of is this, and then maybe one of these. So this was, I think, a pretty successful box. I definitely got my money's worth. I spent $25 and even just one of these products gave me my money's worth and more. So that makes it worth it. All right. If you would like to sign up for BoxyCharm, I will leave my referral link down below. If you like unboxings, consider giving this one a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss out on future unboxings. I think that's everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.